Good morning, dear kids. Today we will start with the last exercise of chapter number 4, that is exercise 4E. Here we will learn to multiply by rounding of the number. Rounding off means to estimate the number to the nearest tens or hundred. Today we will start with the question number 2. And question number 1 you have to do yourself in the book after learning question 2 and 3. See here, question 2a. Here the number is given to you 86 multiplied by 4. Here we have to round off this 86 to the nearest tens. Tens के लिए राउंड ऑफ करने के लिए हमें वंस की प्लेस वैल्यू देखनी होती है. If the ones place value is more than 5, here it is 6, so 6 is more than 5, so what we have to do? We have to add 1 at the tens place value and this 6 will be replaced with 0. So, if you will add 1 at 8, it will be 9. And when you will replace 6 with 0, then it will be 0, 90. So 86 will become 90 now by rounding it to the nearest tens. Now we will multiply 90 multiplied by 4. So 94 is 360. Question 2b. 22 multiplied by 5. Now we have to round off this 22 to the nearest tens. We have to see the ones place value. Again the ones place value is 2 here, which is less than 5. If any number at the ones place value is less than 5, so simply replace the ones place value with 0 and don't do anything at the tens place value. So don't touch this tens place value, it will be 2 only. And when we will replace this ones place value with the 0, we will get 20 now. So 20 5s are 100. This is the answer of the second question. Now third one. 44 multiplied by 87. Here both the numbers are given to you in the tens place values. So we will round off both the numbers. Here this 4 is less than 5. So simply replace this 4 with 0 and don't touch this 4. And in the 87, ones place value is 7, which is more than 5. So what we have to do? We have to add 1 at the tens place value and replace this 7 with 0 only. So it will become 90 now. Now we have to multiply 40 and 90. It will become 36. 4 9s are 36 and 2 zeros are given afterwards, 0 0. Now the last question of the question number 2, 25 multiplied by 39. Again both the numbers are given at tens place values. So we have to round off both the numbers. So here it is 5, this is equals to 5 only. So what we have to do? Add 1 here at the 2 and replace this 5 with 0. It will become 30 now. And here it is 39. At the ones place value 9 is given. This is more than 5. So again we have to add 1 at the tens place value. This will become 4. And this 9 will be replaced by 0 only. So it will become 40. So this will become 30, this will become 40. 30 multiplied by 40 is 1200. Now in the question number 3, numbers are given to you in the hundreds. And we have to round off these numbers to the nearest hundreds only. When we are rounding off any number to the nearest hundreds, we have to see the tens place value. If the tens place value is less than 5, so simply replace tens and ones with 0 0 and no changes at hundreds place value. Same here also tens place value is 2, that is less than 5. So no changes at 100 place value. We will replace 2 and 9, that means tens place value and ones place value with 0 0. So it will become 600 and it will become 400. 4 6 are 24 and 4 zeros are given after these numbers, so we will keep 4 0 after 24. This is the multiplication of rounding of nearest hundred. We will take one more example. Question 3b. Here it is given 706 multiplied by 541. Here the tens place value is 0 and here it is 4. Both the numbers are less than 5. So what we have to do? Replace hundreds and ones with 0, 0. Here also tens and ones will replace as 0, 0. So it will become 700 and it will become 500. So 5 sevens are 35 and 4 zeros are followed after it. Here are 4 zeros given, 4 zeros will be followed after it. Now see one more example. Here it is given 286 multiplied by 630. So here the tens place value is 8 and here the tens place value is 1. 8 is greater than 5. So what is the rule? We have to add 1 at 100 place value. यहाँ 1 add कर देंगे तो 2 की जगह अब 3 हो जाएगा. And both the numbers will be replaced by 0, 0. So it will become 300. And here it is given at the tens place value 1 only, which is smaller than 5. So what we have to do? No need to touch 100 place value, only these two will become 0, 0. So it will become 600. Now 6 3s is 18 followed by 4 zeros. This is the last question of this exercise as well as this chapter. 989 multiplied by 178. Here the tens place value is 8, more than 5. Here the tens place value is 7, again more than 5. So when the tens place value is more than 5, we have to add 1 at the 100 place value. 9 में 1 plus करेंगे 10. So this will become 10 and these two digits will be replaced by 0, 0. When you will replace these two digits with 0, 0 and add 1 at the 100 place value, it will become 200. Now 2 ones are 2 followed by 5 zeros. 5 zeros are given after the number. These are the 5 zeros after this number. So it will become 2 lakh. This is the end of the chapter. Next class we will be having doubt session. Those who are having the doubts, they will ask me in the live class as well as on the WhatsApp. And after that I will take a test of it. And before that I can ask you your classwork or homework. Any of the name I can pick and I can ask your copies. So be prepared. Keep your classwork and homework copies complete with the work. Thank you.